Ugh, another cleaning day, another battle with your Dyson V8. Does this sound familiar? You press the button, nothing. You put it on the charger, still nothing, or maybe just a sad, blinking light. If your Dyson V8 can't turn on and charge, you're definitely not alone. This is a super common headache for many Dyson V8 owners. More often than not, when your trusty Dyson V8 refuses to come to life or take a charge, our diagnostics point to one main culprit: a Dyson V8 faulty battery. Over time, even the best batteries wear down, losing their capacity to hold a charge. It's just a fact of life for these powerful machines. The good news is, a faulty battery doesn't mean the end for your beloved Dyson. At RoboCare, we specialize in Dyson V8 battery repair. We understand the intricate engineering behind your Dyson V8, and our technicians aren't just mechanics, they're specialists in Dyson V8 repair. Once diagnosed, our process is precise. We carefully and safely replace your Dyson V8 faulty battery with genuine components. We ensure every connection is secure, every component is tested, bringing your Dyson V8 back to life, often better than ever. But seeing is believing, right? Let's get to the results. And just like magic, after our specialized Dyson V8 repair service, this vacuum is back to its powerful best. That Dyson V8 faulty battery is replaced and it's charging, powering on, and cleaning like new. Don't let a dead battery hold you back. For reliable Dyson V8 battery replacements and all your vacuum repair needs, choose RoboCare. Visit our website or call us today to get started.